Hi, so this is an unboxing of a Harry and David fruit basket. So I'm going to go ahead now and show you how it comes in. So I send out a lot of these, but this is the first time I've actually received one. So it's actually pretty interesting for me to actually get one of these and unpack it. So this is an interesting unboxing for me. You can see it's nicely packaged. And even the exterior of the package, it does say open immediately. Now just seeing how it comes packed in here. Nice basket with a lot of this paper stuff. Looks like it's shredded paper cardboard. You'll notice there is a foil, so that's what they'll do with one of the pairs. Is they'll have gold foil on one of them, is what I noticed, but then if you have multiple ones, the rest of them will not have gold foil. So I'm going to put this aside, and looks like there's an apple here. So the good thing about this boxed one is that it is well protected, and these are the premium fruit. The thank you here. One thing I did want to mention with the box is, that there is the message here. So the message that you put when ordering is going to be put right on the label itself. So this is what I have here. As far as the message, the recipient of the person that sent it to me put in a message, and that's where it's displayed. And just going through, thank you. And some nuts, more nuts. More fruit here. The pretzels. And here's the material that it comes with. And then it's also has this protective, it's actually very soft, this protective stuff here. And here's the rest of the fruit. So there's an apple here. And I'm assuming these are the pears. So it's neat that it comes with the basket, and I'll go around and show the basket. Kind of neat. There's these leather handles. And this is the pears. Like so. And then the rest of them. So just going through these. Emptying this out. Another pear here. So all these are in very decent shape. So I've sent some of these, and people have said they were damaged, though this one comes in a full box. So it looks like it's going to be well protected. And actually, they do protect it well with this soft, I want to say, it almost feels like it's like cotton in there. So it's like very soft. So here's the basket. And so it's a nice little, neat little basket here. And just zooming out of all the stuff that it comes with. So that's it. That is the Harry and David gift basket. And, thank you, Eric and Elise, for sending it to me. And also thank you for watching.